This strategy I'm about to show you in this video is going to be a game changer in your trading career. This strategy is a powerful strategy that if you apply this strategy, all the instructions, all the rules of this strategy, the way I will show you, your trading career will be transformed for the better. Okay? And this strategy is based on the use of sessions, the daily sessions of the market. Why I love this strategy is because it provides you with trading opportunities every day. There are several of you that you would look at the market and you come to the market, to the chart, and you don't see your setup for several days. And that makes you not to have good trades. You want to force trades in the market. But with this strategy, you will have trading opportunities every day. And how does this work? Okay, now you have 3 sessions of the market. You have the Asian session, you have the London session, and you have the New York session. Okay, so in this strategy, all you just have to do is to use the various sessions of the market in order to find your setup. And so what happens, the Asian session is mostly characterized by consolidation, and when the market comes to your London session, you could as well have some consolidation. So what happens is that at around the open of the New York session, you just have to identify a flag. Okay, identify a flag of the London session, and once the New York session opens around 2 p.m. GMT or London time, you would mark your chart, mark your flag, and there would likely most times be a breakout once the New York session opens, and this is going to be your trade. All right, this is going to be your trade. All right, this is going to be your trade. So this strategy is a very powerful strategy. I explained briefly in my previous video, but in this video I'll be going in depth. I'll be going in depth, giving you extra tips and the various models that will make this strategy a better one and a very profitable one for you. And I'll as well answer all of your questions that you have asked me in the comment section with regards to the strategy and how to do this strategy in a way that you would begin to earn a living from this strategy. Okay, now to trade this strategy, you need to customize your chart, and I would recommend you use the trading view chart for this strategy. So what do? You have to go to the indicator. You can see here that I just marked. All right, click on this on your trading view chart. You go to indicator. This icon will take you to the indicator. So you go to the indicator. You type in trading sessions. Okay, type in trading sessions at the search bar. Okay, trading sessions, and that will give you, click on these trading sessions. All right, once you click on the trading sessions, it would shade your chart by sessions. Okay, to shade different sessions on different colors. So this is the Asian session, or we call the Tokyo session or the Asian session. This is the London session shaded in this color, and the New York session. This is the Asian session or Tokyo session shaded in that color, and the London session shaded in this color, and the New York session shaded in this color. So once you have done that, you are ready for this. Okay, you are ready for this. So now you can see here that once the London session is in play at around 2 p.m. this is around 2 p.m. London time, which is equivalent of around 9 a.m. New York time, just about at the New York open. All right, so you just have to mark your flag. All right, mark your flag. So once you mark your flag in readiness of the London session breakout, so you could enter in 2 ways. You could enter when the flag, this is the first leg of the flag, all right, and this is the flag itself. Okay, this is the first pull. All right, so now here you wait for a breakout. You wait for a breakout. So once there is most likely going to be a breakout at the open of the New York. So that will signify your entry. So in this case, there's a break and retest. There's a break and retest of this. So this is your entry, and you can see how this played out at the New York session. So that is the strategy. This strategy is a very powerful strategy that if you follow the rules and apply this strategy, you will begin to see profits from the market, and as well you will see trading opportunities every day in the market. I love this strategy so much because it is straightforward, it is easy, and it provides you with opportunity every single day. All right, we're going to go into the chart more to see more examples, but then there are 3 different models of this strategy. So this is the first model. I've identified 3 models of this strategy, and I've gone deeper to explain this strategy in a more better way. So this is the first model. Model 1, the bullish model 1. For this model, you will see the Asian will range, and then the market will break away from the Asian, which some people will call the London breakout. Okay, the market would break away here from the Asian session and starts to consolidate. Okay, the market will start to consolidate at the London session, and then at this is 2 p.m. Just note 2 p.m. At 2 p.m. London time, which is about 9 a.m. New York time. All right, that is going to be a time that is around the time that the New York market, New York session opens. All right, so now look for a breakout. You can see there's a breakout. This, you have to mark your flag. And now once the market breaks out, that signifies your entry. Your stop loss will be around here, and this is going to be your take profit region, just similar to just about the same size of the first leg. Okay, so this is the bullish model 1 bullish. All right, so now let us see an example. You can see here, this is the Tokyo session or the Asian session, this is the London session, and this is the New York session. So you can see here at the London session, the market at this point gave us a flag just about this time. Okay, and you can see this is around this time. So here there's a breakout. When you see the breakout, is going to signify your entry. If you go to lower time frame, you can find like a break and retest on a lower time frame. And now this is the first leg of the move, and now your take profit will be same size of the first leg, and your stop loss will be in this region. Let us now see the bearish version of model 1. So for the bearish version of model 1, you would as well see the Asian range break out from the Asian range. The market will form a flag. As the market forms a flag at 2 p.m. London time or 9 a.m. New York time, you would see a breakout from the London range, and this is the breakout. Is going to be your entry, your take profit. Okay, just about the same size of the first leg of the move. Okay, so now this is the bearish version of model 1 at the New York. So let us see some examples on that. So you can see here, this is the Tokyo session, London session, and this is the New York session. So you can see here that the market formed a flag. All right, the market formed the flag here. There's a breakout, retest of the flag, and the market sold down. This is the first leg of the move. This is going to be a take profit distance, and you can see what a lovely trade that would have been. A lovely trade that would have been. Okay, let's see more examples. You can see here as well. Here you have this, the market broke out at the London session. Okay, just pay attention to this time. You can see here, this is the time. This is about 9 a.m. New York time. This is New York time, 9 a.m. New York time. That's the New York Open, equivalent of 2 p.m. London time. Okay, so pay attention to the time. 9 a.m. New York time, equivalent of 2 p.m. London time. Okay, so the market broke out of the range of the London range, and that was our trade. Okay, see the trade. You see the trade? So lovely trade. All right, so this is another example. 9 a.m. New York time. The flag is about 2 p.m. London time. Okay, can you see the lovely trade? How that the market sold off? So lovely trade. These are stop loss. These are stop loss distance. These are take profit TP. Okay, and the TP, as I always told you, is just about the size of the first leg of the move. Okay, so this is now model 2 bullish. For model 2 bullish, you have the Asian range, and there's going to be a breakout of the Asian range in this direction before the market will now go up and forms a range. It forms a range, and then at this 9 a.m. New York time or 2 p.m. London time, you will have the breakout from the range here. You have the breakout from the range, and that forms your trade. Okay, So now let us see some examples on that. You can see here that the market first of all moved up. The market first of all moved up at the London Open, and now the market now formed a range. As the market formed a range, it gave you an entry at around that time, and you can see your take profit. In this case, although in this case the market did not move as much as it did on the first leg, but then the market did move to some point. Okay, so let's look for another example here as well. For another example, you can see that the market opened and first broke away from the Asian range before it gave us a flag. At this time, we get our entry, okay, 9 a.m. New York time, okay, and now the market broke out, giving us our trade, and this is our stop. This is our stop loss distance. This is our take profit, and that was a lovely trade. Beautiful trade, beautiful setup, beautiful strategy. Okay, stay with me on this. You can as well see in this case here that the market broke out from the Asian range, okay, and now gave us a flag, and now at 9 a.m. New York time the market bought up. Okay, so lovely strategy. And as well, now look at the model 2, the bearish version of model 2. It's just the opposite of the model 2 bullish. It's the opposite. So in the bearish version of model 2, you have the market would break out of the Asian range and now go in the opposite direction before creating a flag that will now give us our setup for the day. Okay, so here you see that here in the market, this is the Asian session. It would sell down before giving us our flag. All right, at this time we have our entry. The market in this case broke out of the flag just about 9 a.m. New York time and give us a bit of retest here, and that formed a very lovely trade. Very lovely trade for the day. Very lovely trade for the day. The market sold down for that day. What a lovely strategy. This strategy, if you can master this strategy, you have setups every day and you would have a very good win rate. If you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, please kindly do so. Give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, with as much traders as possible. I want people to be successful in trading. Share this video with as much traders as possible so that they can be able to participate and learn this one lovely strategy that can transform their trading career. If you need to join our free Telegram community, do not fail to do so. The link is in the description box of this video. In that free Telegram community, I share free setup and analysis that can help you to trade at your own discretion. Also, if you want me to take you by the hand and help you become a profitable forex trader, I have a one-on-one mentorship program. In that mentorship program, I give you all the secrets, all my trading strategies and secrets that can help you to prosper in this market. Even if you have spent 5 years, 10 years, 20 years in the market, forex market, and you have not been profitable or successful, I will give you the tips, strategies, and the guide, and I will show you the right way to do it in order for you to gain profitability. Do contact me. My contact detail is in our free Telegram community, and the link to my free Telegram community is in the description box of this video. So now let's go ahead. Let us move ahead with the bullish version of model 3. Now for the model 3, there's a slight variation. The slight variation is this: the flag forms right from the London Open. The flag forms right from the London Open. That is a model 3. So you can see here, that is the Asian session. The flag would form right throughout the London session. All right, so that is to say at about 9 a.m. New York time, okay, 9 a.m. New York time or 2 p.m. London time, you can have a breakout from the flag. So all through the London session, the flag will be forming all through the London session. Unlike the case, you have to have a breakout from the Asian before the flag will start to form. All right, let us see it now. So let's see an example. So in this case, you have the Asian session. So All through the London session, the flag was forming. Okay, and now this signifies our trade at about 9 a.m. New York time. This is a very powerful strategy. So all through the London session, the flag was forming. For the bearish session of this model, you would find that all through the London session, the bearish flag was forming. The bearish flag would form all through the London session. And then at about 9 a.m. New York time or 2 p.m. London time, there will be a breakout during New York Open. Okay, let us see an example of this. So here you would see this is actually a trade that I marked out just before the trade happened. Okay, you see here that all through the London session, the flag was forming. This is the first leg of the flag would have happened in the Asian session, and all through the London session, the flag will be forming. And just about 9 a.m. New York time or 2 p.m. London time, you will find a breakout from the flag, and these are stop loss, and our take profit will just be just about the same size of the first leg. Okay, so this is a strategy that can redefine your trading career. This strategy can redefine your trading career. This strategy, if well practiced, if you backtest this strategy greatly and master this strategy, you will see opportunities every day in the market, and you would have so much money, profit you make every day from the market. Now, you asked me several questions when I released the first version of this video. You asked me several questions, so let me answer some of those questions. Now, these are some of the questions you asked me when I released the first video about the strategy. And you asked what's supposed to be like the best time frame. The best time frame for me, I would love to go to 30 minutes or 15 minutes to get my setup. If you're a day trader just like myself, you would prefer to use 30 minutes or 15 minutes time frame for this strategy. Okay, what are the suitable currency pairs for this strategy? All major pairs would work. Okay, all major pairs will work. In fact, every other pair can work, but though I trade the major pairs like GU, AU, EU, okay, USJPU and the rest of, so those are the major pairs that I trade. So but all pairs can work. Any forex market instrument can work. Now what about the suitable market instruments? You can work on forex, can as well work on crypto, can as well work on stocks, can also work on indices. So all you just need to do is to backtest this on whatever market instrument you want to trade it. Try to backtest it and confirm for yourself. Okay, backtest it on your chart and confirm for yourself. So now, just as I've told you, some of you will be asking me what's the time of the breakout from the London session. So the time of the breakout, as I've told you, is 9 a.m. New York time, just as you can see in the charts that I've showed you, or 2 p.m. London time. Okay, 9 a.m. New York time or 2 p.m. London time is the right time you are going to look for the breakout from the London session that would form your trade. Okay, I hope all of these are clear. I hope all these are clear. These are the questions you ask me on the comment section. I've just tried to explain this to you. Please try to backtest this strategy and you would get used to it. And I tell you, this strategy will transform your trading career. If you're going to subscribe to this YouTube channel, do not fail to do so. Give this video a thumbs up. If you found value from it, share our videos with your friends and other traders so that they can as well learn and be profitable in their trading career. If you're here to join our free Telegram community, please do so. The link to the free Telegram community is in the description box of this video. There I share free setups and analysis that can help you to trade at your own discretion and become profitable. All right? And you want me to mentor you one-on-one, take you by the hand and help you to become a profitable forex trader? I can help you. And how can you do that? Just contact me, and my contact detail is in our free Telegram community. Okay, that is where you're going to find my contact detail, and the link to our free Telegram community is in the description box of this video. All right, till I come your way next time with an useful, powerful tutorial that can transform your life. Do have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.